Nate Mullen, aka the Illuminator here. I want to invite you to my house. I'm going to show you some trick things that I do at my house, which we also will do on pretty much every job that we ever go on to. Now, as I do my lighting designs, there's a lot of times complication of how am I going to wire to someplace. So I'm going to show you a few tricks. So one of the tricks is copper pipe. I love copper pipe. What I do is I have probably 400 or 500 feet of copper pipe down at my lighting garage, and I let it tone up. I let it darken. So when I put it up, it's on an eyesore, meaning that it's really bright and shiny copper. So what I use the copper, it's already bronzed up, for is to hide wires. So I had to run a wire up into, now this is a 110 awning, could have been a 12-volt light, but I used the copper pipe to conceal and hide the wire, and it looks good. I've never had anybody complain to me that there's a copper pipe on that wall. And let me tell you, my wife is the biggest critique when it comes to anything not being perfect. So if it passes her test, I'm good to go. Now the other thing is that I put a light on a fascia like I did up here on this eave fascia. You'll notice that I had to get the wire up under that 2x8, and I concealed it with wood molding. And you can see that I used 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch wood molding. I painted it, color matched it, and you'll never ever notice it. If you want to walk over this way, again, we use the copper pipe trick to feed these awnings. And again, you don't even really notice it. And again, that's 110, could have been 12 volts. And then right over here, up on this fascia, and of course I used the wood molding trick again. And again, you'll never notice it unless I point it out. And I had to run continuous all the way down the corner to the rain gutter. And then of course we run the wire in the rain gutter. I have 42 lights around the eaves of my house, and you'll see that all the wire is ran in rain gutters. And that's another good little trick. You run the wire in the rain gutter, and then you run the wire down the downspout. And a trick for that, as I will be showing you, is we use ball chain. You drop the ball chain down, and that's how you get the wire up through the rain gutter without using a snake. Anyway, thanks for paying attention.